Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to create effective timesheets using Zoho Project. This will help you manage your team's time better and increase productivity. First up, log into your Zoho Project account. Now, this is the starting point where all magic happens. You have to be logged in to access the timesheet feature. The next step is to navigate to the Timesheets tab. This helps us because it's where you will create and manage your timesheets. Now that we're in the Timesheets tab, click on Add Timesheet. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. You're creating a new timesheet that you'll customize in the next steps. Next up, fill in the details for the timesheet. This includes the task name, the hours worked, and the date. The reason we do this is to ensure accurate tracking of the time spent on each task. Once you've filled in the details, click Save. This will automatically update your timesheet and record the time logged. Let me explain why this matters. Saving your timesheet enables Zoho to tally the hours worked, ensuring that all time is accounted for. Lastly, to make your timesheet more effective, be sure to review and update it regularly. This helps you stay on top of your team's work and adjust tasks as needed. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to create effective timesheets in Zoho Project. This will make your project management more efficient and your team more productive. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next tutorial.